Hey dude, you got some cough drops? Yeah, here, take one. Not sponsored. Dude, you got the Sniffles suit? Yep, the Sniffles. They really suck. You got some tissues? No, I don't. Sorry. Oh God. Oh God. Well, at least they'll go away in a few days, right? Yep. Sniffles really do suck. Hey guys, so as you can probably tell by that video, I am sick. I have the sniffles. So basically my throat kind of hurts. Nose is runny. Yeah, that's why you probably haven't seen a video this week. I'm actually sucking a cough drop right now. Yeah. So if you're wondering why there was no video this week, this is kind of why. There will be one next week, hopefully. Maybe another one to make up for it, but yeah. See you guys in the next video.